National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Multiple disturbances will progress through the region as we head toward the end of the work week, bringing much cooler temperatures, gusty winds, and periods of rain and snow showers. Dry conditions return to the region Saturday afternoon through the day on Sunday before additional precipitation chances return. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Rest of today, cloudy late this morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers late this morning.
Yeah, it's just one going. This just flashed warning for a brief second.
Temperatures falling into the mid-40s this afternoon.
Alright, so that just flashed warning for a brief second. So it's probably going to do that thing that signals that it missed the weekly test, which I'm excited for. Finally got to witness a WR100 go off, because it actually works. Yeah, so that was awesome. I finally got the siren working on here, thanks to Eli telling me what was up with it. They had some alerts silenced. Tornado warning was silenced on here. That could have gotten someone killed. Yeah. This was actually pretty successful. TA-25 went off. That's the wailing you probably heard. That was nice.